WaterTech tank filter. Why is a tank filter essential? Ensure pure and clean water. Easy to install, easy to clean, easy to maintain. WaterTech tank filter is a DIY product. Steps to install tank filter. Close the overhead tank outlet ball valve. Cut the pipe where the tank filter needs to add. Install the tank filter in the water outlet line. Now open the valve for regular use.
WaterTech tank filter cleaning instruction.
Step 1. Close the ball valve. Step 2. Open the bottom nut by hand. Step 3. Drain the wastewater. Step 4. Open the body cover with the provided tool. Step 5. Gently remove the inner holder containing the disc. Step 6. Remove the disc from the holder. Step 7. Clean it individually with water easily and reassemble it. Step 8. Insert the filter into the holder. Step 9. Close the body cover. Step 10. Put the nut back at the bottom and open the valve for regular use.